In this video, we will learn the definition of algebra and we will also learn some example. Okay, so for definition of algebra, first we need to consider a set, a non-empty set X. Then the algebra would be a collection of subset of the set X which will satisfy some properties. So first consider the non-empty set X. So let X be a non-empty set, then a collection we are writing A this way, a collection A of subsets of the set X is called, for algebra first letter A, that's why we are denoting that collection by this way, is called an algebra on the set X if it has the following properties. So it needs to satisfy some properties. So what is the first property? First property is the empty set and the whole set should be in that collection. Okay, the empty set and the whole set should be in that collection. And second condition is, if there is a set A in that collection, then its complement, the complement of AC, should be in that collection. Okay, so if there is an subset, then its complement would be also in that collection. And third property is, if A1, A2, AN element of A, then their union should be in their union. So I equals to 1 to n, AI should be in that collection. Okay, and their intersection would be also in that collection. 1 to n, AI would be in that collection. Okay. So first property is the empty set and whole set would be in that collection. Second property is, if there is a set A, then its complement would be also in that collection. And third property is, if there are finite number of subset, then the union should be in that collection and the intersection would be also in that collection. So if these three conditions satisfy, then that collection is called algebra. Now we can discuss some example. So our first example would be, so we can discuss some examples. So to discuss some example, we need to consider the non-empty set X. So let our non-empty set X is 1, 2, 3. Our non-empty set X has 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. Now if we consider A, that algebra, this collection equals to empty set X 1 and 2, 3, then this is an algebra. This is an algebra on X. So we can check whether this collection satisfies these three properties. So what is the first property? The empty set and whole set should be in A. So these two are already in A. If A is in that collection, the complement should be in that collection. So the complement of empty set is X, and complement of X is whole set is empty set. So both are here. Complement of 1 is 2 3. So 2 3 is here. Complement of 2 3 is 1, that is also here. So second condition satisfies. Now third condition. So if you consider any collection of sets, subsets, suppose we consider these two. So what is the union? Union is, because the union should be in A, the union is 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 is X, so this is already in here. The intersection would be in A. What is the intersection of 1 and 2 3? That is empty set, and empty set also in here. So this condition also satisfied. So this is an algebra. Now second example, if we consider this collection empty set X 2 1 3, so this is also an algebra. This is same as first one, because complement of 2 is 1 3, complement of 1 3 is 2, right? And their intersection is empty set, and their union is the whole set. How about this one? See, if we consider this one empty set, then X, then 2, then 1 2, then 2 3. Is it an algebra? Okay, let's check. So first property satisfies. How about second one? If we consider 2, what's complement of 2? Complement of 2 is 1 3, right? Complement of 2 is 1 3, but 1 3 is not here. 1 3 is not in that collection. So this is not an algebra. Is not an algebra on X. Okay. If this one doesn't satisfy, then we do not need to check this third one. Okay, maybe it doesn't satisfy more properties, more properties from third one. But since it doesn't satisfy second property, we can conclude that this is not an algebra. Now D, if we consider only the empty set and the whole set, this is also an algebra. Because the first property satisfies, second property complement of empty set is X, complement of X is empty set, so second property satisfies. Third property, their union is X, the intersection is empty set, so third property also satisfies. So this is an algebra. And the power set also an algebra. Power set, what is the power set of X? It is empty set, then X, then element 1, element 2, element 3, then 1 2, then 1 3, and 2 3. Since it has 3 elements, so there should be 8 subset. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 subset. So this is the power set. And power set also an algebra. This is an algebra on X. Always, this is always. Okay. So that's it for algebra. Thanks for watching.